Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a video on DOT USD pairing for Polkadot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the charts. I'm going to look to see if there's any potential entry points or exit points that I can see. Remember, this is only my opinion, okay? But I have a pretty good percentage chance of making accurate predictions on price entries, okay? So for those of you guys that are new, if that's something that you're interested in seeing and you've never seen anything like this before, you're going to want to watch this video. Trust me, it'll be something that will open your eyes as to something that you might want to consider when looking at coins. So please subscribe to the channel over here and then smack that notification bell when it pops up so that you're notified on the next video. So in this video, I'm also going to show those of you guys that are new that my track record, so that you guys can actually see, so that I'm not wasting your time, okay? So let's go ahead and we'll get started. But wow, look at a backdrop here. This is what we all kind of hope for, right? To make a lot of money, doing something we love, living from a laptop, being able to travel anywhere around the world and just go off and enjoy life. So that's our goal, right? Okay, so let me get going here. I was dreaming there for a second. All right, here we go. There we are. I'm in TradingView, and any of you guys that aren't using TradingView, they're offering a 30-day trial. There's a link down below in the description, so go ahead and click on that if you want to try it out. I do my stocks and my crypto analysis on TradingView, and then I go do my trades, on TD Ameritrade or Coinbase or whatever other platform I need to. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick analysis, but let me do an explanation again for those of you that are new. I know the guys that have been watching for a while, they already know this. So sorry I have to go through this, but I got a lot of new people coming in. Okay, so what happens is when I draw these bases on here, typically more often than not, pricing, when it cracks one of those bases, when it drops like it's hot, it'll usually come back up like it's hot, right? So let me give you some examples. Okay, so I'm just going to point out the cracks. You can see that it dropped the crack and then it came back up, okay? Right there, you can see it. Cracked right there, cracked here, came down a little ways further and swung back up. That's why I always tell you guys, be patient. Don't get nervous when you buy in. It happens to me too. I buy in and everything's moving upward and it looks like things are going good. And then all of a sudden it drops. And then I'm like, oh, fuck. So don't worry. I don't worry. I don't worry anymore. Look at me. No, I'm just kidding. I don't worry. Here, cracked a little bit, came back up, little tiny one there, cracked, bounced back up, cracked there, boom, went a ways down, went from 33 all the way down to 26, and then came back up. Over here, cracked right there, came back up, cracked right there, came back up. Just a tiny one, little line there, cracked, came back up. There's a couple more, boom, boom, dropped down, came back up. Here's one. Well, that's the one we're in. Boom, all the way down. It'll swing back up. More often than not, it comes back up. So if these are coming back up 9 out of 10 times, and you're not throwing all your money in there, don't throw a haymaker in. You want to take your time. You want to spread your risk, go into multiple coins. I saw somebody had said they lost quite a bit of money. I'm not going to say how much, but it was quite a bit of money on one coin. And I told him, I said, let me know where you bought in so I can do an analysis for you on the coin to see if maybe there's a way we can save it if you haven't sold yet. It could have been like this. It could have dropped and then it would have bounced back up, but he sold it. Okay. So, but we all make these mistakes, so don't feel bad if you're watching. So right there, had not come back. Here, cracked, came back up right there. These ones cracked a couple times, came back up, cracked, 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 came back up. They're all coming back up. You see what I'm saying? So let's do an analysis. Where could this thing go? So if somebody said, Ryan, I know I say this all the time, Ryan, please take my $1,000 and invest it. I'm not going to invest for you guys. But if somebody gave me $1,000 and I didn't know what to do with it, and I had to invest it in Polkadot, and they're like, you got to jump in at some point on Polkadot and you got to have a good chance at potentially making money. I would jump in. And these are some points that I would potentially look at for jumping out. Now, all of you guys, it's your money. So if you guys are in on this trade, wherever you're at, you got to do an analysis of this chart and come up with what's going to work for you. Okay. And your finances and your emotions of waiting and holding and being patient. Everyone's on their different journey. Okay. I'll sit back. I'm not going to put in everything, but if I jump into a trade and someone says, Ryan, it's not going to bounce back for 6 months, I would go, okay, then I'm only going to put in this much money. But you're never told that. So you always want to put in what you're willing to sit back and hold on. Okay. So don't keep thinking you're going to make money every couple of days and then it's just going to keep growing, because you're going to have periods where it's going to drop. It dropped over here on November 11th. And it'll see it came up a little bit, drop back down. It'll come back up. Just give it time. All right. So these are some points. Scrivilo, write it down. Okay, right in this point. It's at 1992. A quick one right there would be at $20.85. That would be a quick one. The next level here, we could do 25.18, $27.13, 29.67. Hey, real quick, if any of you guys are new and this is interesting to you, please over here, there's a thumbs up icon just below the video. If you could click that, that helps YouTube know that I'm providing you guys helpful, insightful information, okay? And it doesn't cost you guys anything, but it helps me out greatly. Okay, 29.67, I think I said, and these aren't exact, okay? Roughly $32, $34.90, $36.99, $39.23, $41.92, $44.46, $46.86, $49.55. So this right here, if I had $1,000 and I had, you know, plenty of money sitting back and I was like, I'm going to put 1,000 on it and I'll wait a year. I'll wait for it to swing. Then this would be the point where I would definitely be dropping out if I have a long-term hold. But if I want something shorter and I want to get my profit quick and I want to try to jump into other things, I don't want to sit there and wait, leave my money lingering out there. It would be any of these other points kind of right in this area up to the middle area. That's what I would be doing. So if you guys are finding this video helpful, remember, email it to a friend if you think any friends that are of yours that are in crypto that might find this interesting. And for those of you guys that watch my channel regularly, if you want to drop off now, you can. I'm going to quickly show those of you guys that are new my stats. Okay, so let me go over here. Where am I? I don't know. I got so many flipping things open here. Okay, here's my channel. If you click on home, if you click on my username, this is what you'll see first. These are some of the coins and the stocks that I've jumped into and that I'm doing price predictions on. But if you click on videos, you'll see my whole library. And so what I do is I do all these videos and I let you guys know when they take profit. Okay, so I'll do a video. I'll let you know entry point, exit point, and as soon as it hits that exit point, I'll do a video on it. And that's what I've been doing. Took profit, 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 and you guys can see they start swinging around. And over here, real quick, here is a spreadsheet. I track everything I do on crypto. For stocks, I do it on another spreadsheet. This is kind of the same one. But my stocks are more long-term holdings. But I think I need to get into more swings. But it seems like there's more money on crypto. Like you can get there quicker. Maybe I'm wrong. So you can see all these that have been clearing just since the 24th of December. I slowed down on the 20th of early December because the whole, I don't know why I'm looking down here, because the whole crypto market was dropping. And so I jumped in later in the month and look at all these that have cleared. Boom, 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 boom. More down here, boom, boom. And then over here, I got a couple more. Don't worry about this. Just kind of something I'm working on. And then I got 3 more over here. And if you think that's all there is, boom, 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 boom. Look at all these. You're going to see some reds in there, but that's just because I got emotional too for a while and I was jumping out. I was getting nervous. But then when I went back and checked them like a month or 2 later, they all flipping came back. So I lost. But you know, I built it back quick. Anyway, that's why I say don't get nervous, because it's from my experience that when I got nervous, and I don't get nervous. No, I get nervous sometimes. Okay, so that is it for DOT. And I will be doing more videos. So make sure you have subscribe over in the corner, right over there, deep in the corner, that little icon, looks like a YouTube little logo. Click on that, you'll subscribe. And then thumbs up right down below. And then I'll see you guys on the next video, okay? And smack that bell so you're notified. And if you have any friends, again, please send the video to a friend. All right, thanks, guys, and I will do more videos. All right, bye-bye. Oh, let me know in the comments if you bought on DOT before and how it's going for you, or if you're in on any other coins, or if you just want to send a quick note and say, hey, you know, tell me your story, how long you guys have been trading. I'd like to hear it. I try to respond to everybody. I'm pretty good at it right now. I try to get back to everybody, but I'm getting a lot of comments, so it's getting hard. All right, thanks, guys. I got to get back to doing some other stuff. Bye-bye.